How to check liked comments on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to check liked comments on TikTok. Begin by opening the TikTok app on your device. Once you are on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear at the bottom, and from the options here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find Activity Center and then tap on it. From the Activity Center, tap on the option named Watch History. On this page, you will see a record of the videos you have watched. If you want to find a liked comment, you can filter by date to narrow it down. Next, scroll through the videos listed here and open the one where you left a like on a comment. Once the video opens, scroll to the comments section and you will be able to see the specific comment that you liked. While TikTok doesn't provide a direct list of liked comments, this method allows you to track them through your watch history. It may take some scrolling, but it is currently the most reliable method available. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to check liked comments on TikTok.